sing this one.
Okay, you play it.
Sing this one, Jordan.
You sing it, Frankie. Daddy's giving you money for doing it.
What are you giving him though?
Oh, I just
You're
want
not just giving him pennies.
all I got
are
is a
you?
loonie and a dime on it.
knows
You got
the
anything on you?
He knows
Okay,
the
I'll
difference
change.
between a penny now and the other 50 coins.
Here, play another song. Here, you got
Split,
lots
eh?
of money.
Yeah, I'm getting this shit already. Put it in my pocket before Dad comes out and grabs it again.
Put it in your piggy bank.
Say
Or
thank
put it
you.
in your hat.
Say thank you to Wes. Say thank you to Wes for the money.
Thank you, Russ.
You're welcome.
That means that you
Right.
got money.
Aw, you gotta play the songs.
Yeah, play a
Wes
song.
gave him a handful of change.
Okay, you gotta play the songs. Get more. Go on.
Play another song.
There, he wants that picture.
Could grab another small glasses, Frank?
Yeah, go ahead. Check it out.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Is that on video?
I had one yesterday. I wasn't feeling it.
Six. By six. Four. Four.
Aw, come on.
Sorry, guys.
Four. Four by six. Six by
Yeah.
six.
Come on, Rich, get over here.
7, 8. 11, 11, 11. 8, 8, 8. 6, 6,
Genius,
6.
bro. I'm really fucking. This kid's gonna take care of you guys when you get older. By the time you guys are fucking 40, I'll be taking care of you guys.
Yeah, I got my
Look at him. Yeah, let's go.
Video?
one mic.
That was pretty good.